morning mga kabadis! Nasa palengke tayo ngayon para bumili ng ingredients para sa ating breakfast na banana Choc-Q. Inspired to dun sa favorite ng mga Pinoy, ang banana Q. Pabili po isa. Ano po?
Damalot?
Opo.
Uy, talaga lang.
Panoorin niyo yung vlog ko.
Oh, saan yan? Saan?
We'll start the cooking of saba. First step is to pour 3 cups of tap water into the caldero. And lalagay natin, then we'll put the saba or banana. Saba is a species of banana, and it's, well, widely available in the Philippines. So you go to the wet market, you'll find saba in all wet markets. Okay, so we'll wait for 25 to 30 minutes of boiling, and we'll peel this off and then make the dish this morning, and it's banana Choc-Q. So it's a twist of banana Q. And banana Choc-Q, of course, there's a choco there. Another twist is there's no frying of banana Q. Okay, will not use oil. So that makes our breakfast dish for this morning unique. No fry banana Choc-Q. Now it's time to peel this off. So, ganun lang. Paano balatan ang saba. After this, what we'll do is make the caramel sugar and dip each of this banana saba. So that's how we will make the no-fry banana Choc-Q. So no-fry banana Choc-Q is supposed to be healthier than, of course, fried banana Q. Because in fried banana Q, not only that you'll spend, well, money for the oil, which you'll need a lot of oil, but of course, your food has some oil in it. While no-fry banana Choc-Q, it's simply boiled. We'll now move on to the next step. Now we'll prepare the caramel sugar with choco. In a low heat fire, we'll cook this caramel sugar or caramelized sugar. Caramelization is essentially melting the sugar so that it becomes liquid form, and it takes time until it gets melted. We can already put the choco powder or cocoa powder. I'll put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and mix it with the sugar. You can also increase the flame for a while just to speed up the caramelization process. But then you have to put it back to low flame so your caramelized sugar won't taste bitter or sunog. So now it's start to melt. So Just be patient with mixing. I'll add a bit of oil into this ingredient. So just to speed up the liquefaction of the caramel. The caramelization got faster. Okay, the melting process is taking place. We just have to wait for a few more minutes until sugar is fully melted or caramelized. And then we'll dip each banana here. Okay, now it's already melting and you can already dip the banana saba or saba bananas. I added some water into this mixture to speed up the melting process. I'll now mix the saba bananas. So without frying the saba, we can make banana Choc-Q or banana Q. Okay, it's only the sugar that has been caramelized. But of course, if we have to be a bit health conscious, we need to, well, cancel some ingredients or procedure like frying. Okay? So that's the purpose of this no fry banana Choc-Q. Okay, it's done. Now we can serve the banana Choc-Q. Alright, mga kabadis. The banana Choc-Q is done. I'll call my 3 Junakis, NJ, Meji, and Zoina. Okay? I usually pair this sweet fare with green tea or black coffee or sugar-free coffee. Soy pot, Meji pot, J pot, come down.